Hey, welcome back to this next video. In this video, we will explore this curriculum. We have thousands of coding lessons to help you improve your skills. You can earn certifications by completing its final 5 projects. And yes, it's all 100% free thanks to thousands of campers who donate to our non-profit. If you're new to coding, we recommend you getting started at the beginning. So these are the 6 certificates, as we will see, right? Okay, so going back to GitHub, you see that this is the 6 core certificates that they have. Number 1 is the responsive web design certification, which covers all these things, and there's a few projects here. There's the JavaScript algorithm and data structure certificates, which covers these topics, and the projects are such. Front-end library certificates, if you have gone through these and the projects here. Data viz projects, as well as the certificate for data viz and the API microservice certificates. Deals a lot with npm, basic node and express, as well as MongoDB and Mongoose. And the 6th one is information security and quality assurance certifications, using Helmet, Chai, advanced node and express, and projects as well. And then you get the full stack development certificate, as well as, well, since I've been around for a while, I have and I will be working on the legacy certificates. So let's jump back to this. So in each class, I'll be focusing on each of these. So for example, the responsive web design certification, 300 hours, right? I'm going to break it down into HTML, CSS. So there's a few of these, right? But I'm going to break it down even more. Like for example, basic HTML and HTML5, I'm going to be doing one class on introduction to basic HTML and HTML5, which I will cover all these, which I've already completed, as you can see in the green arrow, denoted by the green arrow. And I'm going to, so next I'm going to do another class on basic CSS, introduction to basic CSS, which I have already finished. And I'm going to create a new account, and I'm going to go through all these with you. One at a time, slowly, in as much detail as possible. And of course, if you have any questions, just let me know. Adjusting color, these I have not done yet. These I have yet to do, which is not difficult for me, but I will be going through and completing these as well as I go through these classes. So there's going to be another class on applied accessibility, and I've done some of these, some have not finished. The responsive web design principles I've finished, and this will not take that long. It's going to be a pretty fast class. The Flexbox is going to be a short class as well as the CSS grids, which is not going to take too much time, and then the projects is going to take a lot of time. As you can see, some of them I have not even finished, and I will be coding through this, and I will show you how I do it as I do it. And I might be speeding up the process because I've been coding for many years. So I don't expect you to be as fast, but you will see how I do it, and you will really enjoy that, I'm sure. So once that's done, we'll work on the other certifications. So we're going to do one at a time. So I'm going to just close all these. Just go back all the way to the top. It's a lot of materials. It's 300 plus hours. I'm just going to close this. Okay, so 300 hours for this, broken down into multiple classes. So here we're looking at about 8 classes, right? Actually, each of the projects might even be one with its own class. I'm not sure. We'll see. But approximately 7. So these are just from CSS grids on. From here to CSS grids is 7 classes. And then this might be more than one class. And then I'm going to, once I finish that, I'm going to release the next section, which is JavaScript algorithms, and then the front-end library certifications, as well as data viz, APIs, microservices certification, as well as the information security and quality assurance certification, as well as go through some of the interview prep, which is going to take a very long time. Because if you look at algorithms, it's not too much, but data structures, not too much. Anyway, we'll go through all these. There's thousands and thousands of hours of challenges here. It's going to be really fun, and I invite students to join me in this, and we'll go from there.